A question that worries many of you is which bike gives you better performance and lower maintenance cost, Yamaha MT-09 or KTM 990 Duke. Welcome to my channel, I am Thomas, and in today's video episode I'm going to show you a quick review comparing these bikes. Let me start by saying that both of these motorcycles are pure blood knuckle style monsters that can be used for everyday riding as well. But there's a fact that is very important. If the MT-09 is a fast performance street bike for everyday use, the 990 Duke is for more aggressive riding. Well, I'll start with the Duke, because this is a kind of hit of the year, a superstar with which KTM surprises the world. Its visuals are absolutely stunning and of course its aggressive detail in the design. Here KTM went tradition and give it its two-cylinder 947cc giant that produce 121 horsepower. KTM rises the standard of mid-weight naked bikes a little, because this is the first bike in the mid-weight segment with such a large engine. And at this time the weight of this predator is around 186 kilograms and the more basic electronics compared to the MT-09. In one word, 990 Duke known for its excellent handling and stability, more aggressive riding position. And if 990 Duke provides a strong V-twin engine with a slightly higher torque and lighter weight, known for exceptional handling, here Yamaha offers modern powerful 890cc inline 3 engine with advanced electronics for better control and versatility, and the weight of the Japanese Samurai is around 193 kilograms, and all this around 119 horsepower. Yamaha did not undergo fundamental change this year, but Yamaha updates the modern electronics suite including riding modes, traction control and ABS. As you can see, the Yamaha is calculated to be more agile and nimble with a sporting riding position. Yamaha left the impressions of a more massive bike. It seemed to be more comfortable to sit on than the KTM. But if I had to choose between these two for an aggressive ride, I would definitely choose the KTM. The Duke is designed precisely for extreme riding on the track, and it's fantastic on the twisty roads, absolutely compromising with its competitors, and most importantly, it's perfectly balanced weight with power. Yamaha seems to have the Japanese spirit, its aggressive compromising character, and it is quite dynamic both on the track and winding roads. But Yamaha still makes you feel more secure and therefore reduces the adrenaline relatively. So friends, both of these bikes are extreme, durable, smooth and quiet, yet these bikes have not been touched by the dirty hands of marketing as is often the case, and they are truly performance naked sporty bikes. If you want emotions, adrenaline, then definitely choose 990 Duke, because Yamaha is a more performance commuter. Of course the commuter is for experienced riders. As for their service, Yamaha is very practical and compact. Their service is not that expensive compared to KTM. Yamaha is more global and they have their stores in many countries of the world, and it doesn't matter if you live in South or North America, Europe or Asia, you can use their service relatively easily. As for KTM, the ISO here is a bit problematic. Despite the fact that KTM is a world-class brand, it's not as global as Yamaha, and the service is relatively expensive and unavailable. Not a big problem within Europe, but on other continents you will have a little trouble. At the very least, you may even need to wait a few days to service on another part of it. In short, I like both of them, but let's face it, the KTM 990 Duke is more aggressive and more brutal than the MT-09, I mean visually, so the choice is yours. In short friends, that was all my quick review, and if you like it, you know you should subscribe to my channel.